A bag of bugs on the streets of Chiang Mai. We're gonna start with this cricket here.
Yeah, you can hear the crunch.
It tastes like a potato chip. It's really not that bad. Let's try something else here. I got a lot of crickets. It's not something I would like ever crave, but I was starving. What is this? A little beetle? A little beetle action? Oh, now it's squished. Kind of has like a coffee flavor to it. Let's find a different one. Let's get one of these worms. She said that these were the best ones. These little worm boys right here. Oh, that's juicy. I was not expecting that. It's like not terrible, but not for me.